Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off Apple ProRes for recording videos in the camera on Apple 16 Pro and Pro Max. So in order to use this feature, we need to open the settings. In the settings, you want to go to the camera, and then in the camera you want to go to formats. Over here at the bottom you will find Apple ProRes. You can tap on the switcher in order to turn this option on and of course off. If you turn this option on, we have the encoding where we can use HDR or log. Over here we can also read the description of it. And the ProRes feature also has its own description over there. Let's actually go back. We can read that, for instance, the ProRes capture is supported for up to 30 FPS at 4K and up to 60 FPS at Full HD on internal storage, or up to 120 FPS at 4K when writing to external storage. So if you have some sort of external storage connected to your iPhone, then of course you can use 120 FPS. In addition to that, we can also read about the size of these videos. So for instance, a minute of 10-bit HDR ProRes is approximately 1.7 gigabytes for 30 FPS at 11080p, which is Full HD of course, and 6 gigabytes for 30 FPS at 4K. So quite a big sizes of these videos. However, if you want to get the best quality possible, then of course you can turn this option on. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!